Energy costs in Troy continue to rise, and many homeowners are looking for reliable ways to keep monthly bills under control. One of the most effective upgrades, yet often overlooked, is installing energy-efficient windows. These modern windows are built with advanced materials and insulation features that significantly reduce heat loss, block outside temperatures, and help maintain a comfortable indoor environment. The result? Lower utility bills in every season and long-term savings that make the investment more than worthwhile. Cutting heating costs during Troy's cold winters. Winters in Troy can be long, snowy, and bitterly cold. Traditional single-pane windows allow a surprising amount of warm indoor air to escape, forcing your heating system to work harder. Energy-efficient windows, however, are designed to stop this waste by using double or triple glazing to prevent heat from leaking outdoors, low emissivity, low E, coatings to reflect heat back into your home, argon or krypton gas fills for additional insulation, improved frame materials that resist heat transfer. When your home loses less heat, your furnace doesn't have to run constantly. Homeowners in colder climates often notice immediate reductions in their heating bills, sometimes saving hundreds of dollars per year. Over time, those winter savings alone often pay for the cost of the windows. Lowering cooling bills throughout hot summers. Summer temperatures in Troy can reach uncomfortable highs, making air conditioning a necessity. But just as inefficient windows let warm air in during winter, they also allow heat from the sun to pour into your home during summer. This solar heat gain causes your AC system to work overtime. Energy-efficient windows solve this by blocking a significant amount of UV and infrared rays, reducing solar heat gain without darkening your home, keeping cool, conditioned air inside where it belongs by preventing heat intrusion. These windows create a more stable indoor temperature. Homeowners often experience noticeably cooler rooms, even those that face the sun, and see a reduction in AC usage. This translates to smaller utility bills all summer long. Year-round energy stability and comfort. While seasonal savings are impressive, the real benefit of energy-efficient windows is the year-round comfort they provide. Instead of battling temperature swings, your home stays more consistent from room to room. Drafts disappear, hot spots fade, and your living space simply feels better. This stability also reduces strain on your HVAC system. With less work required to heat or cool the home, the system experiences less wear and tear, which can result in fewer repairs, a longer lifespan for your furnace and AC unit, lower overall home maintenance costs. So not only do homeowners save money on utilities, but they also avoid unnecessary costs associated with premature HVAC breakdowns. Boosting home value while cutting bills. Energy-efficient windows are one of the top upgrades for improving property value in Troy. Buyers today care deeply about energy performance and long-term savings. Installing these windows can make your home more attractive on the market and potentially increase resale value. In addition, many homeowners qualify for rebates or tax incentives when they choose energy-efficient window models. While eligibility varies, these programs can significantly reduce the upfront cost of installation. A smart investment for every Troy homeowner. Energy-efficient windows offer a combination of immediate and long-term financial benefits. From slashing winter heating bills to easing summer cooling costs, they help Troy homeowners save money every month of the year. Plus, the added comfort, reduced HVAC wear, increased property value, and potential incentives make them one of the smartest home improvements available today. If you're looking for a practical upgrade that delivers real savings and makes your home more comfortable, energy-efficient windows are an investment that pays off for years to come.